What's up, everybody? This is Corey from My2Cents, and we have a case review for you today. This is the Spigen iPhone 7 Liquid Armor case. So this is essentially, I don't know, I compare this to the Neo Hybrid as almost the same thing, the inner black plastic without the outer hard plastic shell. So it's closer to your standard TPU style cases where it's a little bit more flexible. It's not going to be as rigid. It's going to be a little bit thinner and a little bit less bulky, which is quite nice. But you'll see that it will give up a little bit more play around the sides of the phone. So right here you can see that on the back it's got a sweet texture. On the front here it's got the standard webbing that you would see on the interior of the case as well. We have our cutouts on the sides, and you can see that this is for the iPhone 7 because there's a speaker cutout down there at the bottom, power button, and it's got this texture across the back, and it's not smooth on the top or the bottom like the Neo Hybrid is, which is kind of cool. Kind of carries it all the way through the phone. One thing I'm a little concerned about is the camera cutout. See if that's deep enough for a phone to fit in and actually not have the camera lens hit the ground. So let's pop our phone in here real quick. Go ahead and snap this in. Much easier to get in and out than the Neo Hybrid as well. So still a pretty satisfying click on the buttons. You can see that this does have a screen protector on it as well, and you can put it down on the face of it and it won't scratch your screen protector either. It does stand off just a little tiny bit, so as long as there's nothing underneath it, you won't have any issues with it touching down below. I do like the fact that it's nice and slim. It's not as annoying as the hard plastic ones. It does give you a little bit more grip. I've noticed this iPhone 7 slid out of my pockets a couple times, so all the cutouts line up quite well, and it is thick enough for the rear camera, just barely, so if you set it down on its back, the phone will lie flat and the lens won't actually hit the ground, which is quite nice as well. I would say this is a solid buy. I think it was $10, so that's a pretty good deal. I'll put our link down below. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.